Hello students, welcome to all. As we have started the virtual classes since last month, so this is the remaining part. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter how do organism reproduce. In that we are going to discuss reproductive health. I hope everyone understood what is the male reproductive system, what is the female reproductive systems, and what happens if the eggs are not fertilized. At that time the eggs and other fluids come out with the bloods and the mucus through the vagina. So actual what happens when the reproductive health considered in mind? As everybody knows that sexual maturation comes as their own phase. Yes, as we know that what happens if the eggs are not fertilized. At that time, at every month, women bleed in the form of mucus and the blood. But it starts also reproductive health. In that, sexual maturation comes at their own space. But sexual maturation, we cannot say that as the age grow. It depends on hormonal imbalances in the humans day by day, every day. They have the different conditions. For example, sometimes we have the pressure of the friends. At that time, we cannot have a intercourse, or you can say the couples, they cannot have the intercourse because of the friends, because they have the different demands. Sometimes family forced to have a children, but many women, they don't want children at a particular time, but because of these family pressures, at that time women forcefully they must go for the child. This is also another point. Many government offices, they ask women to avoid the children. At that times, if the women are not ready, it directly affects on the health of the women. So pregnancy demands in mind of women, but it completely depends on the hormonal imbalances, because every day they have the different conditions, even they have the different diets. Depending upon that, it must demand by the human. So to avoid this kind of problems or the side effects, or you can say the adverse effect, so there are some methods that is called the contraceptive methods, or we can say how we can avoid the pregnancy between the couples. So first one is the mechanical barriers. As everybody knows that what is meant by mechanical barriers, in that as we know, condoms is used by the male. It covers the penis while the intercourse. At the time of intercourse, all the sperms will collect inside the condom, so that the woman can be safe from the children. For the woman, a similar kind of cover may cover to the vagina, so that at the time of intercourse, whatever the sperms come from the male, at that times women can remain the safe from the pregnancy. So the second step is the change in hormonal balances. As we know, in market, number of medicines are available to avoid the pregnancies. At that time, many women they take the medicines. For example, unwanted 72. Unwanted 72, it can be taken after the 72 hours after the sex. For example, if any couple is having the sex today, so after 3 days they can have a medicine, so they can avoid the pregnancy. So due to the pills, there will be the adverse effect on the human's body. So this is regarding the change in hormonal balance by taking the medicine in the form of pills. So the third one is loop or copper T. Either we can say the loops or the copper T. This is very small device which can be placed inside the uterus through the vagina. When it placed inside the uterus, at that time when the eggs or the sperms comes, they neutralize with the help of this copper T or the loops. So means these are working to protect the woman from the pregnancy. So this is loop and the copper T. But there are side effects as well. When copper T placed inside the uterus through the vagina, at that time women, they have a they may have the candidiasis diseases. Because due to this copper T, it is another device which that we are putting directly inside the body of the humans. Due to that, it may irritate the vaginal places, so that the candida diseases may occur in the human because of the loops or the copper T. As we know, the last one is the surgical method. Surgical method itself explains that there should be a surgery, or there should be a operations in women and the male, or male and the female. As you know, the structure of the male and female reproductive systems, if we cut or block the vas deferens tube, so there will not be the flow of sperm from the male to the female. If we block the fallopian tube, so there will not be a fertilization takes place in the fallopian tubes. That means we can avoid the pregnancy in the woman or the female with the help of surgical method, by just blocking the vas deferens tube in the male and fallopian tube in the female. So this is regarding the contraceptive methods. Before this, you must know the structure of male and female reproductive system. Then and then only you may understood what is the vas deferens and the fallopian tubes. So why it happening? Because day by day we are observing that many hospitals or the peoples, they go under the illegal sex determination. For that purpose, we must maintain the male and female ratio in the society, so that we may have a proper generation on the population in the society. So just keep in mind what are the different contraceptive methods. First one is the mechanical barriers. In that, we may use the condom or the similar for the female. Change in hormonal balance, that means we can have a pills in the form of medicine, either keeping the loop or the copper T, which is placed in the uterus through the vagina in the female. And last one is the surgical method, by blocking the vas deferens in the male and fallopian tube in the female. So these are the 4 methods which can be used to avoid the pregnancy. Thank you. If you have any questions, so text me as you are texting on my personal WhatsApp number, so I will reply you. Thank you.